Hey there. So recently, uh, we came across some old cookbooks that were put away, and now they're ours. But they were in storage boxes, and they're a bit musty smelling. I mean, you open the storage box, it's just a affront to the senses, and so we want to keep these, and so we need to remove that musty smell. And how do you do that? So one thing that you can do is use baking soda. Baking soda, I've always seen that it's good to clean with. We use it to bake with, but you look at the back of the box and it talks about health and beauty and fresh pet, cleaning, deodorizing, and all that kind of thing. Actually, to make a volcano, we made a volcano with baking soda when Caitlin was little. It's a really neat little thing. But anyway, we're going to use baking soda to actually remove that musty smell from these books. And so it may take a couple of days, but we're going to put about a cup of baking soda in this pan, in this little bowl right here, and set it down in this tub. And then I'm going to take the books and sort of try to fan them open a bit. Stand them upright and try to have them where they're open a bit, and sort of stacked against each other to hold each other open, and they'll just go in there like that. So now they're all in there, standing up, sort of fanned open, so the pages can have a little bit of room to breathe. And we're going to put the lid on it. If I can find the lid, we're going to put the lid on it and just let it sit like that for about 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days, we're going to open it up, smell the books, and if they still have a musty smell, we're going to change out that baking soda, because what that baking soda is doing is absorbing those odors actually out of the pages. These books are not moldy. There's not mold on them. It's just that musty odor. And so we're going to recuperate these books. I think we wound up getting them because the person that had them knew we liked to cook, and also knew we liked books. And so I like to try to take care of books. I guess it was taught to me by Miss Tanner and Miss Quillen. Taught me to honor books. As a matter of fact, side story, I don't like writing in books. When I was in school, we couldn't write in books, so I hadn't never liked writing in books. And my bride says, "Oh, you can write in your Bible." Well, I don't really. She's got a journaling Bible. I don't. It's a book. I don't like writing in books. So I don't know. Maybe some hard things to give up. But anyway, I do enjoy books. Enjoy holding the book, reading the book. At one time, I had one of those little iPad reader things, and I'd try to read from it, and it's just not the same. Just having a book to turn the pages. Anyway, so that's a sidebar, but I'm gonna try to recuperate these books and get that musty smell out of there with this baking soda, and doing things around the house and figuring it out. That's what works for me mostly.